me from later in the night. Yeah, my phone deleted my intro clip, so here's this as a replacement. Today I thought I'd hop on and get to something that's been bothering me a bit. So me and my sister share a room and it's become quite the disaster actually. And so today we're actually going to be cleaning that, and I'll just show you guys so you get a better view of it all. This is our bedroom currently and it's really messy. There's my sister. We need to clean it up. We have a lot of crap left over from Christmas, and we need to, also in this video, I want to put everything back in my bathroom because we had some work done on a pipe in there and it's kind of just left uncleaned. So I want to take all the stuff out of my closet, all my makeup and everything, and put it back in there. So I have the plan, and that's kind of why I look so gross right now. Honestly, we're just going to get straight to it, I think. There's really nothing to do besides put on some music. So.
I have to record my intro again. Hi.
Let's get started. First we're going to play some music.
Yeah.
Do we go No Doubt or Hippocampus?
Which should we pick?
I think we're going to go Hippocampus, but comment down below if you've heard of either one or which one you would pick.
Hey guys. Okay.
I'm going to go side A.
So when my sister's setting up the music, I'm going to go ahead and make my bed with this. It does not look so good. Throw that over there. Make it up and clench. From earlier.
There we go. I've gotten clothes on my dresser put away. I'm working on cleaning that off. My bed's a little better. I'm taking out the trash. Trying to work on my half of the room. I just wanted to pop in and let you guys, give you guys a little update. I should be done with the room soon and then we'll head to the bathroom. So, my room is done. Well, most of it at least. I have to put that pile of clothes away and just put those hangers away and figure out what I want to put on top of my dresser. But that's about it. My stuff is cleaned off, you know. I'm gonna vacuum. But for the exciting stuff. So my bathroom, I put my dress, like little drawers in there for my makeup. I have to sweep the floor and then I'm gonna put all this stuff back in there. So I'm gonna set you guys up and we'll get that done. Here's the room all completed. It took a little bit longer than I expected, and it's dark outside, but it gets dark quick here, so let me just show you guys. So obviously I made my bed, and then I cleaned off my dresser, and I set up my record station. Those boxes I have to keep for shipping purposes. Nothing really changed. I just cleaned up, put my bag in the corner. She cleaned her little area as much as she wanted to. And then we did the bathroom. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And have a good rest of your night. Bye, guys.
Here we go. Come on.
When you get older, plainer, saner.